Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting a factory reset on a first-gen Google Nest camera. First, make sure the camera stays powered and your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the device. Open the Google Home or Nest app so you can re-add the camera later. Next, find the tiny reset button on the base. Use a paper clip. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds until the status light blinks. This begins the full wipe of network and account data. Once the LED begins flashing, keep holding to ensure a complete reset. The first-gen unit requires a solid 10 to 15 seconds. After you release, listen for a chime or watch the LED change. This confirms the camera erased its settings. Make sure you wait patiently. The device will reboot internally, which can take 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, do not unplug the camera. When the light shows the ready pattern, the camera is back to factory defaults and ready to be set up again. Now reconfigure the camera in the Google Home or Nest app. Tap Add Device, scan the QR or follow the network prompts and assign it to your Wi-Fi and account. If the app can't find the camera, unplug power, wait 30 seconds and plug back in, then retry the reset and setup. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled. If problems persist, try another phone or check for router restrictions. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.